Magandang araw mga kababayan, good morning po sa ating lahat, sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Good morning po. Maulang umaga ngayon mga kababayan. Dito po sa Metro Manila, sa aming lugar, medyo maulan po kaninang gabi pa hanggang ngayong umaga mga kababayan. At sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa ibang bansa, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali at magandang gabi din po sa inyong mga kababayan. At mga kababayan, meron po tayong magandang usapan ngayon mga kababayan. Magandang balita sa inyong mga kababayan. May init-init pa na balita mga kababayan. Kung inyo po itong napanood o narinig o nabasa sa dyaryo o na pakinggan ninyo sa mga mainstream media mga kababayan, ito ay ating kung hindi nyo pa napanood dito kayo na ito, ipahagi natin sa inyo mga kababayan. Ito ay kilala nyo ang taong ito mga kababayan. Kilala nyo ang taong ito. Ito ay isang taong matindi, magpatikos sa pamahalaan mga kababayan. At itong taong ito mga kababayan ay isang congressman doon sa Cavite mga kababayan na tinatawag nilang Meow Meow mga kababayan. Siguro alam niyo na kung sino si Meow Meow mga kababayan. Mainit-init pa mga kababayan. Siya ay in-expelled na mga kababayan, sinuspend na sa Kongreso mga kababayan. Overwhelming ang boto mga kababayan sa taong ito dahil wala nang ginawa kundi kung ano-ano mga sinasabi sa ating pamahalaan o ano-ano mga sinasabi mga negatibo sa administrasyon ito mga kababayan. Kaya siya na-suspend ng kanyang mga kasamaan dyan sa Kongreso. So pakinggan natin ito mga kababayan, ang balita dito sa PTV4 mga kababayan. Let's hear it. Kung kayo po ay sang-ayon sa ginawa ng kanyang mga kasamahan na siya i-expel, i-suspend sa Kongreso mga kababayan. Please comment down below dyan mga kababayan.
Following various complaints he faced, including the one filed by the NBI earlier today, Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga was expelled from the House of Representatives this evening. This comes after 265 lawmakers affirmed to adopt the recommendations of the Committee on Ethics and Privileges, citing the negative impact of his actions on the institution's integrity. We have the full details in this Sheila Natividad report.
With 265 members voting in the affirmative, 14 in the negative, and 8 abstentions, the findings and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 298 are hereby adopted.
Madam Chair,
Representative Barzaga is hereby notified of the action taken by the House on Committee Report number 298.
Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga has been expelled from the House of Representatives. The decision was reached after lawmakers adopted the findings and recommendations of the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges, which found that Barzaga's actions had a negative impact on the image and integrity of the institution. Earlier, National Bureau of Investigation or NBI Director Melvin Matibag filed a formal complaint before the House Committee on Ethics against Barzaga over allegedly misleading social media posts made during the Senate shooting incident. According to the NBI, Barzaga's now deleted Facebook posts alleged that the NBI had assassinated some senators on the night of the shooting incident.
you are a congressman, you should behave properly. Alam mo yung batas, if you accuse something dun sa mga tao, there is a proper way and a proper forum to make accusation. Pero yung ganito, to encourage people and to seek the attention of the people para magalit dun sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno, tingin ko hindi naman pagiging balansibuyas yun, kundi yun ay pag-protection mo rin sa institusyon na nagpo-promote ng law and order.
Complaints filed against Barzaga are not new. Last April, he received an arrest warrant in connection with 8 counts of cyber libel and posted bail, totaling more than 300,000 pesos. The lawmaker was also previously suspended by the House of Representatives for 2 months after facing multiple ethics complaints related to what were described as indecent and incendiary social media posts. Beyond the ethics complaint, the NBI is also studying the possibility of filing additional criminal charges against Barzaga. Among the provisions being reviewed is Article 154 of the Revised Penal Code, which deals with the unlawful use of means of publication and unlawful utterances.
Well, we already filed this. There's also a prayer dun sa aming complaint na proper criminal action can be undertaken also by the House Committee on Ethics. But just the same, we are reviewing other charges and preparing the necessary charges.
Meanwhile, Matibag did not hesitate when asked whether Barzaga should be removed from Congress as a penalty.
Well, personally, yes. Well, his behavior says so. It's not the proper behavior of the congressman to habang mayroong ganung kaguluhan, mag-live ka pa at sabihin mo that there's an assassination attempt to some of the senators.
In its report, the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges concluded that Barzaga violated Sections 141A and B of the House Rules, which require members to conduct themselves in a manner that reflects creditably on the House of Representatives and to adhere to both the letter and spirit of its rules. While Barzaga maintained that his posts constituted protected political expression and were made during a period when sessions were suspended, the committee held that members of the House are expected to observe standards of decorum, responsibility, and professionalism at all times, whether or not formal proceedings are underway. The committee further stressed that the freedom of expression does not exempt members from accountability when their actions are deemed detrimental to the institution they serve. Sheila Natividad, from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.
Kababayan, may init-init pang na balita. Kagabi lang po yan, mga kababayan, na siya in-expelled, in-outs na, tinanggal na sa Kongreso dahil sa kanya mga kapalpakan, dahil sa kanya mga pinupost kung ano-ano, mga kababayan. Ethics complaint ni Atty. Matibag ng NBI, mga kababayan. At nako, marami pang kasunod dyan, lalo na tong isang Vice Mayor sa Isabela at ang isa pang congressman dyan na patuloy pang gumawa ka pa dyan ng kung ano-anong kabalastugan. Itong si Lepreste, yan, darating ang araw mo, kapag tuloy-tuloy ka rin yan, matatanggal ka rin sa pagka-congressman mo. Kaya maraming salamat sa ating mga congressman, magigiting na congressman, kasi nakakahiya na nga ang kanilang ginagawa. Pero itong ating Senado ay walang hiya. Walang kakwenta-kwentang ating mga Senado, walang integridad na, lalo na itong bagong Senate President, mga kababayan. O siya, sige, maraming salamat sa ating NBI Director. Matibag talaga, hindi matibag-tibag, nagtatrabaho para sa ikakaunlad, para sa bayan natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Atty. Matibag, sa inyong patuloy na paglilingkod sa bayan, sa paglilingkod sa mga Pilipino, hindi sa isang tao lamang. Maraming salamat sa inyo, mga Mr. Atty. Matibag. Kaya mga kababayan, maraming salamat po muli sa inyong panonood. God bless us all. Please like and share sa ating maliit na video. O siya, sige, dito na lang ulit. God bless us all. Bye-bye.